No, just this high. Okay, 807.
807.
This
Got
is
you.
my time. 1 to 5 risk to reward
I like it.
trade.
Nice trade
Nice.
so far,
Intestinal
OFEC.
fortitude on that one.
Yeah, seriously. Oh, but this is what we were just talking about this, Jack. The last week, Supreme Court's tentatively supposed to give us their opinion. Doesn't happen, and we see the markets spike from there. How many times does it happen before you call it a pattern?
Well, what's happening is the same dynamics as before, right? Like someone put lotto puts going to zero. Yeah, that's what it is. I mean,
Yeah,
people have trades to anticipate this probably in options, right? Or they're just
right.
blasting out of them. So we probably blasted a whole lot of people who were long puts there, just panic selling, and then the market goes up.
Huge spike there. 69, 65. I kind of really like the longs now too, right? We got that out of the way. No one's scared anymore. Find a place to buy it. 25,650 last trade here in the Nasdaq. Hogue, we're right back above that October 10th high, 635s. Honestly, I want to see the market's response here for continuation, but it's looking pretty good here. The Russell on its highs of the day. The Dow's turned around as well.
You're seeing some aggressive short time frame buyers here. We've got Delta and the S&P is now up 1,700. And the negative on the NASDAQ has come off pretty well. It's only down 1,300 now.
Buyers stepped in there for sure, whether they were covering or just getting in long. Some buyers stepping in there for sure. Almost a complete turnaround here. In the S&P back in that 1 minute opening range. The NASDAQ still has a little bit of work to do, 25,673. We got OFEC long from 25,590, 100-point banger right there. Looking for more. See another gap that you have there, OFEC. We just inverted that fair value gap as well, it looks like. Or am I just making shit up?
Just give it more minutes.
Give it another minute. Yeah. Give it another minute.
We will go break even in this trade if we can get this 930 first gap. Just a second. Yeah, this gap.
Yeah, so this is where this price range, quoted that price range before in the NASDAQ, 25,689 down to 659. We saw about 800 contracts trade in a second there. We're back right back at 50% of this. So if we're assuming that that was a seller shorting the market, candle close above 689, we could see some more covering coming in here. VWAP for the day is still a down sloping line. 25,709 is that price. We did reject off of there once earlier today, but looking pretty good so far.
Yeah, let's see.
Seeing some buying coming back into the metals now. 46.25 last trade in gold. $91.47 last trade here in silver.
Bitcoin's exploding.
New highs of the day there, Jack. $97,470. Who said crypto unmasked? Looking for 100,000 today.
Well, here, if we look at a longer term chart, let me go to the day here. And
I think I'm gonna go break even here.
Going break even now?
Yeah, break even on this trade. I don't want to lose more money from what I'm losing.
Yeah, I think it's a good call, especially up 100 points.
So we move to the percent of this range. So like what you said. So for now, I'm gonna be break even or let's say that break or take. Okay, break even or TP.
There we go. Break or take.
Break or take.
I like it.
And if it's gonna go to break even, we will finish for today down $381.
Not bad. Not bad. Good risk management. Yeah, go ahead, Jack.
Go to my chart real quick. I have the spot Bitcoin up, and we're breaking out today above. There's been strong resistance around 94, 500. We've kind of tapped off of it 3 times strong, one more maybe, and then we just broke out of it today. So probably probably up around 100,000 is the next point where we could see some action. But good job for the long Bitcoin folk.
Nice job. Who's trading micro Bitcoin? Let us know in the chat. Who is trading that MBT contract or micro Ethereum? You can trade that as well. If you can make money in micro Ethereum, I don't know how you do it. It's 5 cents a tick and it barely moves. Well, actually it moves, but 5 cents a tick, even if you
Let's see if this 3-minute gap still holding to the upside.
5 cents a tick.
What are we supposed to do with that, Hogue?
It's a mess. They gotta. I don't know why they chose to make it 1/50th or whatever it is.
Looking pretty good in this trade. OFEC holding that area there, that 660 area held. The 6960s held in the S&P as well.
Let's get up through VWAP now.
Hogue, do you like anything here in the S&P or the NASDAQ for a potential trade? We got 10 minutes before the initial balance is set. I can't say that we have the IB high set yet. Anything could happen. I would assume that we have the lows in for the day, but we're also just right back in the middle of the range. So in the next 10 minutes, anything can happen. What are you seeing here, Hogue?
Yeah, I mean, we're sitting right at the point of control. And then in the S&Ps, we're sitting right at the TPO point of control, right in the center of the range in the NASDAQ right now. So there's really nothing I can do in my time frame, but sure was a nice long OFEC. Man, oh man, that was really some guts on that one.
Thank you. But let's see what happens.
Either a break or take here. The gold is pushing back up here. 46.29 last trade here in gold. Let's take a look at the tilt. It never really got heavy either side in the equities, but it is 70% long in the S&P and the NASDAQ now, 57% short in gold. I think everyone kind of jumped on board there. So, all right, no Supreme Court opinion. Find something to buy. Let's see if it holds up.
Gold's back to the IB low.
Gold. Oh, do you know if we got stopped out of that crude trade?
Yes, we did.